Now, first of all, talk about the type approach. Personality types are used to represent and communicate a set of expected behaviors based on similarities. Type approach is given by Hippocrates, Kretschmer's, Sheldon, Jung's, Friedman, and Rosenman. Hippocrates classification. Hippocrates had proposed a typology of personality based on fluid or humor. And on the basis of fluid, he has taken four different varieties. First is choleric, melancholic, phlegmatic, and sanguinic. Kretschmer's classification. Kretschmer's defined the personalities on the basis of body build. And three types are there: picnic, athletic, and leptosomatic. Sheldon's classification. Sheldon used body build as well as temperament as the main basis. Sheldon's classification is of three types. One is endomorphic, mesomorphic, ectomorphic. Let us see the features. Endomorphic: fat, round, and soft, relaxed, and sociable. Whereas mesomorphic are active, good health, strong and balanced physique, energetic and courageous. Ectomorphic are weak, tall and lean, brainy, artistic, and introvert. Jung's classification. Jung has proposed another important typology of grouping people in two groups. One is introvert and another is extrovert. Introvert are people who prefer to be alone, tend to avoid others, withdraw themselves in the face of emotional conflicts, and are shy. Whereas extroverts are sociable, outgoing, drawn to occupations that allow direct dealing with people and react to stress by involving them with people or social activity. Friedman's and Rosenman's classification. In recent years, Friedman and Rosenman have classified individuals into two types, type A and type B. Let us see the features of type A and type B. Type A: always moving, walking, and eating rapidly. Whereas type B: they never suffer from a sense of time urgency. Type A feel impatient with the rate at which most events take place, whereas type B feel no need to discuss or display their achievements. Type A strive to do or think two or more things at once and find it difficult to slow down and relax, whereas type B play for fun and relaxation than to exhibit their superiority at any cost.